Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be talking about what is Pixabay and how to use it. Pixabay is a community where people can share copyright-free images and videos. So this means you do not have to ask permission or give credit to the artist if you're using it for school or even for commercial or business purposes. Let's take a look at the website. I'm going to Google Pixabay. Here we go. So I really love this website because I can use it for personal use or for when I teach. And I don't have to pay for the images, and I don't have to give credit. And the really cool thing about this website is you can also use it for commercial use, so for your business, for free. You don't have to credit or pay. You can search for photos, illustrations, vectors, videos, music, and sound effects. So it has lots of options. If you want, you can join and create an account for free. This is especially helpful if you want to share your images on there and take, but you don't have to make an account. Okay, so how can we search for things? You'll type what you're interested in looking for. So for example, I love hiking, or maybe I'm making a school assignment related to hiking. So I want a photo of hiking. So be careful. At the top, you'll find sponsored images from iStock. So for these images, you have to pay, okay? So you can ignore that. If you scroll down, now I see there's 22,676 free photos of hiking. So I really like this one right here. So I'll click on it. And then I click free download. Right here, it'll give you some options. This is the resolution of the image. The lower the number, that means that the smaller the resolution, or the image will be less clear, okay? If you pick a higher number, the resolution or the image will be much clearer. But this has a lot of memory. So if your computer doesn't have a lot of memory, it might be better to use the image with the smaller resolution. I'm going to pick something in the middle. Pick one, and then I'll click download. Here it's asking, as a registered user, no CAPTCHA is presented to you. So if you want, you can sign up, but you don't have to. I'm going to click that I'm not a robot. Download. And then, sorry, I'm going to move this. As you can see, my picture is down here, and I downloaded it, and it's on my computer, so I can use it later. You can also search for vector graphics, like this. So they're not like pictures from a camera. I like this one right here. Oh, again, ignore the sponsored images because those you have to pay for. I'm going to click here and then click free download. I think this resolution is pretty good, or maybe I want a smaller one. I can click that. Okay, this message pops up in case you want to donate money. If you want to thank the person who made this image, you can give them money, but it's not required. So I ignore that. Also, if you want to give credit to who made this picture, you can copy and then paste it, but crediting is not required, okay? And then if I click down here, I can see the image. And I have it downloaded on my computer, okay? One thing I want to remind you of is this website is for everyone. So, this person here has contributed 109 images. So if you have images that you want to share, you can make an account and share it. So this is a website where people can share their pictures for free and take pictures for free, yeah, to give and take. You can also find illustrations and videos. So I'll go ahead and play it to see if I like it. So it doesn't have any sound, but it's a beautiful video of a river. So if you like it, again, you can download it. And you can pick the resolution that you want. And then if I click down here, I see that the video has been downloaded and I can use it any way I want. For example, I can put it in a PowerPoint. Okay. I hope you enjoy using Pixabay and find it useful for your schoolwork and your personal use. Bye!